This bird spends almost its entire life in the air. It eats, drinks, mates, and even sleeps mid-flight. Meet the common swift, one of nature's most extreme flyers. Scientists tracked them. Some stay airborne for 10 months straight without landing. How do they sleep? They shut down half their brain at a time, a trick called unihemispheric sleep. If they land accidentally, it can be dangerous. Their legs are weak and they may not take off again. This bird literally lives its whole life in the sky, from hatchling to adult. Nature is incredible. Follow for more unbelievable animal stories.